On February 28, 2025, a rare astronomical event will occur, a great planetary alignment. All 7 other planets in our solar system will appear in the night sky at the same time. This is a rare event known as a great planetary alignment. The planets will appear in a neat row, making for a magnificent sight. The 7 planets that will be aligned are Saturn, Mercury, Neptune, Venus, Uranus, Jupiter, Mars. This event is not uncommon, but it is less common for all 7 planets to align. Any number of planets from 3 to 8 constitutes an alignment. 5 or 6 planets assembling is known as a large alignment, with 5-planet alignments significantly more frequent than 6. 7-planet great alignments are, of course, the rarest of all. The alignment will be visible from most places on Earth, but some locations will have better viewing conditions than others. The best time to see the alignment will be shortly after sunset. This is a rare opportunity to see all 7 other planets in our solar system at the same time. If you have the chance, be sure to check it out. Historical alignments. Planetary alignments have been observed and recorded for centuries. The earliest known record of a planetary alignment dates back to 185 BC in ancient Babylon. Archaeologists in 2020 found 2 inscriptions on stone tablets that described a massing of planets, phenomenon with Mars, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, and Saturn visible to the naked eye that year. Throughout history, planetary alignments have had different connotations, from speculation about the Earth's gravitational pull, to bad omens about the end of the Earth, to becoming opportune moments for NASA's spaceships. The current planetary alignment is more a visual spectacle than a scientific event. Its significance is attached to how humanity has chronicled the skies above and assigned meaning to it. The ancient Babylonians first correlated the position of planets in the sky to our lives on Earth by introducing the study of the zodiac 2,500 years ago. The earliest records of planetary movements and alignments thus directly coincided with the act of meaning-making, one that continues in modern-day astrology and horoscopes. Here are some other notable historical alignments. 1982. The 4 gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune formed a neat line in the sky. This alignment allowed the Voyager 2 spacecraft to visit all 4 planets. 2000. The Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn converged in a small patch of sky. This alignment was seen by some as a sign of the end times. 2022. All 8 planets aligned in a horizon-to-horizon arc. This alignment was also seen by some as a sign of the end times. Planetary alignments are a natural phenomenon that has been occurring for billions of years. They are a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the universe. While they may not have any direct impact on our lives, they are a beautiful and awe-inspiring sight to behold. Folklore and planetary alignments. In many cultures, planetary alignments have been associated with folklore and mythology. Some cultures believed that these alignments were signs of good fortune, while others believed they were signs of impending doom. For example, in ancient Greece, the alignment of the planets was seen as a sign of the gods' favor. The Greeks believed that the planets were gods and goddesses, and that their alignment meant that the gods were in harmony. In other cultures, planetary alignments were seen as signs of bad luck. The ancient Babylonians believed that planetary alignments could cause natural disasters, such as earthquakes and floods. Today, planetary alignments are no longer seen as signs of good or bad luck. However, they are still a source of fascination for many people. Some people believe that planetary alignments can have an impact on our lives, while others simply enjoy watching these rare events. One example of folklore associated with planetary alignments is the story of the Planet Parade. This story tells of a time when all the planets in our solar system lined up in a row. The story says that this event caused great chaos on Earth, with earthquakes, floods, and other natural disasters. Another example of folklore associated with planetary alignments is the belief that these events can bring about changes in our lives. Some people believe that planetary alignments can affect our relationships, our careers, and our health. Whether or not you believe in the folklore associated with planetary alignments, there is no doubt that these events are a fascinating sight to behold. If you have the chance to see a planetary alignment, be sure to take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the universe. Planetary alignments, while often surrounded by mystical interpretations, do hold very real scientific significance, particularly for humanity's exploration of space. Here's a breakdown of the advantages. Space exploration and mission planning. A prime example is the Voyager program. The late 1970s alignment of the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, allowed Voyager 2 to use a gravity assist technique. This meant the spacecraft could use the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot itself to the next, significantly reducing travel time and fuel consumption. This was a monumental leap in our understanding of the outer solar system. Future missions can similarly take advantage of alignments to optimize trajectories, making deep space exploration more efficient. Scientific observation. Alignments can provide unique opportunities for observing celestial phenomena. For example, certain alignments might allow for better observation of how planets interact gravitationally, or provide clearer views of distant objects. By having multiple planets lined up, it can allow for different viewpoints of space objects, giving scientists more data to work with. Historical significance. Studying historical records of planetary alignments helps scientists understand how ancient cultures perceived and interpreted the cosmos. This provides valuable insights into the development of astronomy and human understanding of the universe. Ancient recordings of planetary alignments help modern-day scientists to verify and refine calculations of planetary orbits. It's important to distinguish between scientific advantages and astrological interpretations. While alignments are fascinating astronomical events, they do not have scientifically proven direct effects on human behavior or earthly events beyond their gravitational influences.